the little Baby Hawk R here. Baby Hawk R Pro. Situated. Maybe take off in the grass. Nope, we're stuck. Come on. There we go. Look at this little guy. So cool. So quiet. This thing's so hilarious. 2.5-inch 3S. Sounds awesome on these props. I'm not sure if going to a Gem Fan 2540 would be better though. Literally my second flight on this dude. Shredding pretty hard though. 6,000 kV 3S. Really nice tune out of the box though. The Emax tune. No bounce back. Holds very nicely. Wow, that's really clean stops. And as little prop wash as you could expect. Definitely very passable on Betaflight 3.5. Them little LEDs in the back. Oh, battery just totally died. I ran that so low. Dude, the battery just sagged and it was gone. And I'm like, oops. Alright, I definitely did not make that battery happy. Ooh, motors aren't actually that bad. Battery, hot. Did not give me much warning, it just sort of died. So, yeah, there'll be a link down in the description to the Baby Hawk R Pro. Definitely very impressed with it so far. I'll be doing, hopefully, more flying with it coming soon, and then I can do a full proper review, but thumbs up for right now. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.